Bruder EXP-7. The Bruder EXP-7, the ultimate luxury off-road expedition trailer. This innovative trailer combines serene comfort with incredible capability, featuring a 48V electrical system and Bruder suspension for unparalleled off-grid comfort and convenience. With its indoor-outdoor kitchen, double-door system, and 360-degree camping experience, the EXP-7 allows you to seamlessly connect with the outdoors. Its modern aesthetic and technological sophistication make it perfect for adventure seekers who demand the best. Whether navigating winding roads or tackling rugged terrain, the Bruder EXP-7 ensures each journey is a breeze. The Bruder EXP-7 is priced from $201,000 for the Pop Top PT model and $206,000 for the Hardtop Grand Tourer GT model. EarthRoamer SX. The EarthRoamer SX, the ultimate overland adventure vehicle. Built on the robust Chevrolet Silverado 6500 HD chassis, the SX is powered by a 6.6L turbo diesel V8 engine and an Allison 6-speed transmission, providing formidable power for any terrain. Its carbon fiber camper body ensures durability and lightweight performance, while the vacuum-infused construction sets a new standard in overlanding. The SX features a full dry bath with a walk-in shower, expansive garage area, panoramic 270-degree windows, and a massive 18,000-watt lithium-ion battery capacity. With 43-inch military-grade tires and solar arrays, the EarthRoamer SX brings the comforts of home to the most remote destinations, making every adventure unforgettable. Tesla Semi-Truck. The Tesla Semi-Truck Motorhome, the future of eco-friendly road travel. Built on the robust Tesla Semi-platform, this innovative motorhome combines electric power with luxurious living space. With a range of over 500 miles on a single charge and a 900 kilowatt-hour battery pack, the Tesla Semi-Truck Motorhome can travel long distances without emissions. Its spacious interior includes modern amenities like a kitchen, bathroom, and sleeping quarters, making it perfect for extended road trips. Solar panels on the roof provide additional power, allowing you to stay off-grid and enjoy the great outdoors. Whether you're exploring new destinations or living the van life, the Tesla Semi-Truck Motorhome offers a sustainable and comfortable travel experience. The Tesla Semi-Truck Motorhome is estimated to cost around $180,000 for the base model with a range of up to 500 miles on a single charge. Crawler Belen. The Crawler Belen, the ultimate moto crawler for your adventurous spirit. This impressive model offers exceptional comfort and functionality for both travel and accommodation. With a capacity for 4 people, the Belen provides ample space for family or friends, featuring a fully equipped kitchen and bathroom to ensure you can maintain your lifestyle on the road. Its high-quality materials and durable design make it perfect for long journeys in challenging conditions, while the stylish exterior and practical interior create a home-away-from-home experience. Whether you're exploring new places or enjoying a campsite, the Crawler Belen is built to make every trip memorable and enjoyable. The Crawler Belen is priced at around €40,000 for the standard model. Hunter NTR 2X. The Hunter Nature NTR 2X, the ultimate off-road microcaravan for adventure enthusiasts. This compact yet versatile trailer offers a spacious interior that transforms into a living room, dining area, and bedroom. Equipped with an indoor kitchen, outdoor shower, and heating system, the NTR 2X ensures comfort in any weather. Its lightweight design allows it to be towed by most cars, making it an affordable and practical solution for off-road camping. Whether you're exploring rugged terrains or enjoying a weekend getaway, the Hunter Nature NTR 2X is built to provide a cozy and convenient home away from home experience. The Hunter Nature NTR 2X is priced around €25,830, approximately $28,000. HYMER Venture S. Introducing the HYMER Venture S, the ultimate luxury motorhome for off-road adventures. This innovative vehicle features a dual-level layout with a pop-top roof that fully inflates in less than 3 minutes, providing a spacious loft sleeping area. The infinity screen offers panoramic views and floods the interior with natural light, while the smart kitchen and multifunctional walls ensure optimal versatility. With 3 115W solar panels, a 190 brake horsepower engine, and a 320Ah lithium battery, the Venture S is designed for self-sufficient travel. Whether you're exploring rugged terrains or enjoying a weekend getaway, the HYMER Venture S promises a luxurious and comfortable journey. The HYMER Venture S is priced from around €215,460, approximately $235,000, for the base model. Audria Coral XL. The Audria Coral XL, the ultimate motorhome for large families and groups. This spacious overcab, alcove model offers elegant and practical design, with a contemporary interior that provides a home-like feeling on the road. The Coral XL features a large dinette with up to 7 homologated seats, a separate master bedroom, and a well-equipped kitchen. With panoramic windows, advanced multimedia systems, and optimized temperature control, it ensures comfort all year round. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a long-term adventure, the Adria Coral XL is built to make every journey memorable and enjoyable. The Adria Coral XL is priced around €159,990 to €179,000, approximately $175,000 to $195,000, depending on the specific model and optional features. ContiHome. Introducing the ContiHome, the future of tiny home living. This innovative prefabricated house combines sustainable materials with timeless elegance and minimalist sophistication. Designed by Continental, the ContiHome offers a compact yet comfortable living space, featuring multifunctional furniture, intelligent lighting, and state-of-the-art shading options. Its durable and eco-friendly surfaces ensure a high-quality living experience, even in a small space. Whether you're looking for a cozy getaway or a permanent minimalist home, the ContiHome promises an inspiring and comfortable lifestyle. The ContiHome is priced around €150,000, approximately $165,000. The Romotow Prototype, the ultimate mobile living experience. This innovative trailer features a patented design that allows it to transform from a compact form when towing to a spacious living area with the push of a button. The cabin rotates from the outer shell, increasing the living area by 70%. With 2 bedrooms, separate living space, bathroom, and luxurious finishes, the Romotow Prototype offers a versatile and comfortable home on wheels. Whether you're on a weekend getaway or a long-term adventure, the Romotow Prototype is built to make every journey memorable and enjoyable. The Romotow Prototype is priced at around $268,500, approximately 429,000 New Zealand dollars. Hitch Hotel. Introducing the Hitch Hotel, the ultimate compact travel trailer for adventure enthusiasts. This innovative RV expands from a small, portable size to a cozy camper that comfortably sleeps 2 adults off the ground. With a Class 1 hitch assembly, it can be towed by almost any vehicle, making it perfect for spontaneous road trips. The Hitch Hotel offers a roomy 7-foot interior, storage space for your gear, and easy setup and takedown. Whether you're exploring national parks or just need a quick getaway, the Hitch Hotel provides a convenient and comfortable travel solution. The Hitch Hotel is priced at around $12,500 for the base model, which includes essential features like a 12V100Ah lithium battery system, 300-watt collapsible solar blanket, and locking storage box. Valentino Rossi. The Valentino Rossi VR46, a legacy of speed and style. This iconic brand, also known as the Doctor, is inspired by the legendary 9-time world champion MotoGP racer Valentino Rossi. The VR46 collection features a wide range of apparel, accessories, and gadgets designed for both fans and riders. From racing suits and helmets to caps, hoodies, and t-shirts, each item embodies Rossi's passion for racing and his unique style. Whether you're a MotoGP enthusiast or a fashion-forward individual, the Valentino Rossi VR46 brand offers something special for everyone. CMC Athena. The CMC Athena, the ultimate luxury motorhome for those who seek unparalleled comfort on the road. This custom-built trailer, dubbed the goddess of CMC Caravan, transforms from a compact travel mode to a sprawling 1,076 square foot, 100 square meter, living space in less than an hour. Featuring formal dining for 6, a fully equipped chef's kitchen, a real fireplace, and luxurious leather and natural stone finishes, the Athena offers a mobile mansion experience. Whether you're hosting a large party or enjoying a peaceful retreat, the CMC Athena is designed to make every journey a lavish adventure. The CMC Athena is priced at around 1.5 million euros, approximately $1.65 million. The Bürstner Elegance i745, the epitome of luxury and comfort on wheels. This fully integrated motorhome features a separate bedroom with a queen-sized bed, a large bathroom with plenty of space, and a spacious living area. The overhead bed above the driver and passenger seats provides additional sleeping space, making it perfect for families or couples. With high-quality finishes and thoughtful design, the Bürstner Elegance i745 ensures a comfortable and enjoyable travel experience, whether you're on a weekend getaway or a long-term adventure. The Bürstner Elegance i745 is priced around 150,000 euros to 170,000 euros, approximately $165,000 to $185,000, depending on customization options and additional features. Reisemobil VARIO. Introducing the Reisemobil VARIO, the pinnacle of luxury and customization in motorhomes. Built with German engineering, the VARIO offers a fully customized travel experience with options for slide-out technology, high-end multimedia systems, and precise craftsmanship. Whether you're looking for a mobile home or a high-end business vehicle, the VARIO is designed to meet your unique needs. With a spacious interior, advanced safety features, and meticulous attention to detail, the Reisemobil VARIO promises an unparalleled journey on the road. Marco Polo. Introducing the Mercedes-Benz V-Class Marco Polo, the ultimate luxury camper van designed to elevate your travel experience. With its spacious and stylish interior, it offers all the comforts of home, including a fully equipped kitchenette, a cozy sleeping area, and modern amenities. Perfect for both adventurous road trips and serene getaways, the Marco Polo combines the elegance of Mercedes-Benz with the practicality of a mobile home. Experience the freedom of the open road without compromising on comfort and sophistication. Your perfect travel companion awaits. Happy travels! The price of the Mercedes-Benz V-Class Marco Polo starts at around £53,180 for the base model. However, prices can go up significantly depending on the trim and additional features you choose. For example, a fully loaded model with higher-end options can cost upwards of £75,000 or more. Furrion Elysium. The Furrion Elysium, the pinnacle of luxury motorhomes that redefines the concept of travel. This 45-foot long, 8-foot wide, and 13-foot 6-inch tall marvel is more than just a vehicle, it's a fully operational luxury home on wheels. Equipped with state-of-the-art technology, including a personal 2-seater helicopter that can land on its sun-deck helipad, the Elysium offers an unparalleled combination of land and air travel. Inside, you'll find opulent amenities like a spacious lounge, a full kitchen, a master bedroom, and even a rooftop hot tub. Crafted by Furrion, known for their expertise in yacht design and architecture, the Elysium is designed for those who seek the ultimate in comfort, innovation, and luxury. Experience the freedom of the open road like never before with the Furrion Elysium. The Furrion Elysium is priced between $2.50 and $3.5 million.